What actually is a problem? Why do we need to solve it? Let's begin by defining a problem. Essentially, a problem is an undesired result. It's an obstacle or an unwanted situation that interferes with our goals, our well-being, or our normal functioning. But why is it important to solve problems? The answer is simple, yet profound. Solving problems allows us to overcome challenges and improve our quality of life. It's through problem solving that we grow, learn, and adapt to changes. In fact, problem solving is not just important for personal growth, it's essential for our collective progress too. In our rapidly evolving world, the ability to solve problems is a key skill for success, be it in business, education, or personal life. So, the first step towards effective problem solving is understanding what needs resolution. Now that we know what a problem is, how do we approach solving it? One effective strategy is the PDCA cycle. This stands for Plan, Do, Check, and Act, an iterative four-step management method used for the control and continuous improvement of processes and products. Start by planning. This involves identifying a problem and developing a strategy to tackle it. Then, put that plan into action in the Do phase. The Check stage involves analyzing the results of your actions. And finally, in the Act phase, you implement the successful strategies on a larger scale, or, if unsuccessful, revisit the plan phase. In addition to this, visualizing the problem can be incredibly beneficial. Analyze it from different angles and perspectives. The deeper your understanding of the problem, the more likely you are to find a fitting solution. By studying and learning these techniques, we are equipping ourselves with the tools needed to tackle problems effectively. In a world that's constantly changing, how do we keep up? The answer lies in embracing creativity and adaptability. These are not just buzzwords, but essential skills for effective problem solving in our unpredictable world. Let's start with creativity. It's not just about painting a masterpiece or writing a novel, but about seeing things from a fresh perspective. It's about challenging the status quo, questioning our assumptions, and considering different angles. Creativity helps us generate innovative ideas, which are crucial when we're faced with complex problems that defy conventional solutions. But creativity alone is not enough. We also need to be adaptable. In a rapidly evolving world, the solutions that worked yesterday may not work today. We need to adapt our strategies and approaches to align with the changing circumstances. Adaptability is about being flexible and open to new ideas. It's about learning from our mistakes and using them as stepping stones to find better solutions. Now you might be wondering, how do I foster creativity and promote adaptability? This is where leadership comes into play. True leaders inspire creativity in their teams. They create an environment where everyone feels safe to share their ideas, no matter how outlandish they might seem. They also promote horizontal relationships, breaking down hierarchical barriers and encouraging open communication. But remember, stepping into this creative, adaptive mindset may require you to step out of your comfort zone. It's natural to fear failure, but we must remember that every mistake is a learning opportunity. Each failure brings us one step closer to the solution. So don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Don't be afraid to fail. In summary, being a creative and adaptive problem solver is about more than just identifying problems. It's about innovating and adapting solutions to meet the demands of an ever-changing world. It's about breaking free from rigid thinking patterns and embracing new ways of thinking. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, learning from your mistakes, and growing through the process. Being a creative and adaptive problem solver is not just about identifying problems, but also about innovating and adapting solutions. So, we've learned the techniques and embraced creativity. What's next? Now, it's all about practice. Just like learning a musical instrument or a new language, honing your problem-solving skills requires consistent practice. It's not enough to simply understand the concept of a problem or to know a handful of techniques. You need to put these skills to the test in real-world scenarios. Try solving exercises, participating in simulations, and seeking out opportunities to apply your skills. There's no substitute for experience when it comes to developing your problem-solving abilities. And remember, every challenge you face is a chance to improve, to learn, and to grow. But don't stop there. Expand your knowledge base by studying bibliographic materials and taking courses related to problem solving. These resources can provide you with new perspectives and techniques that can enhance your abilities. Remember, problem solving is an ever-evolving field. The more you learn, the more equipped you'll be to tackle any problem that comes your way. Now let's talk about creative thinking. Being able to think outside the box is a crucial aspect of problem solving. Techniques such as lateral thinking and brainstorming can help you generate innovative ideas. Lateral thinking allows you to approach problems from different angles, breaking free from traditional thought patterns. Brainstorming, on the other hand, encourages the free flow of ideas, promoting creativity and collaboration. These techniques can be particularly useful when you're faced with complex problems that defy straightforward solutions. They can help you uncover novel approaches and uncover unexpected insights. So don't be afraid to get creative with your problem solving. In a nutshell, becoming a skilled problem solver means being capable of facing the challenges of an ever-changing world with creativity and adaptability. It's about being willing to learn, to practice, and to think outside the box. It's about seeing problems not as obstacles, but as opportunities to grow and innovate. So keep practicing, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of your thinking. After all, the world needs more problem solvers. Let's recap what we've learned today. Developing problem-solving skills begins with understanding the problem at hand. It's about learning effective techniques like the PDCA cycle, embracing creativity and adaptability, and continuously practicing to hone these skills. Remember, thinking creatively is a powerful tool in problem solving. It requires changing our level of thinking, questioning our assumptions, and seeking innovative solutions. Remember, as Albert Einstein said, problems cannot be solved with the same level of thinking that created them. So, let's strive to elevate our thinking and become skilled problem solvers.